Professor Charanjit Singh Shah, and I am the founder principal of Creative Group, and I am an architect, planner, infrastructure expert, art and architecture critic, and I also teach in various schools of architecture. My legacy of practice of architecture perhaps is now on the 53rd year of practice since 1970. The journey has been very fascinating and very interesting. I would say that I didn't have that sort of an aptitude. I say that I knew something what is architecture is all about, but definitely I generally say this, that the attitude of mind will bring aptitude. The process is always learning, relearning, unlearning and again learning. So that continued, and it's like from a freelance to now I very proudly say that we are like a big corporate in practice of architecture and engineering, particularly into the transportation and infrastructure projects. It's like the journey is like one step to another step. It's like the igniting mind, and your dream transforms into thought into vision, and that's vision into reality. Today I perhaps say that I never thought that I can think so big, but the inner sense, the consciousness to create something which is adorable and which is like a benchmark for the nation has perhaps been always there in my mind. And that has now today, I'm very proud to say, is reflecting into the various creations which have been created by Creative Group for the last 53 years. Starting from the legacy, from a small, micro to micro level. It started from a small house to an industrial project to a campus planning or a commercial building. Then, eventually the journey, pushed me to various other aspects, and then eventually, today, like airports. I can proudly say that, we at Creative Group now today have globally transformed ourselves into like airport king, infrastructure king, and done more than 52 airports around the globe. We do brownfield, we do greenfield airports, and perhaps is the definition of airport in terms of architecture was limited to creating a terminal building, but not looking into the apparent side more so. But now today we as an architectural engineering consultancy organization do A to Z in airport. We do the master planning, we do the feasibility study, we do the pre-feasibility study, we do the DPR, we make the master plan, and then eventually the detailed engineering and create a greenfield airports into actual workable airports. Proudly to say we're doing the largest airport greenfield in Nijgar, alternative to Kathmandu, at Nepal, which has about 20,000 hectares of land with 4 runways, a dip between the runways, perhaps more than 10 meters from one runway to another runway, and creating a facility where from runway you come into the various apron and to the taxiways and create a terminal building of that nature. So I'm just narrating all these experiences. There are always high and low tides in the profession, and you keep on working. It's like the passion creates the venues, and once you create the venues, then the opportunities are there, but how do you encash them? How do you see that you transform those opportunities into reality? That is required.